Hello friends, continuing with our series of Sun in Gemini Ascendant, let's discuss today what result Sun will give when it is placed in the 10th house of Gemini Ascendant. As you can see in this horoscope, number 3 is written in the Lagna, this is the sign of Gemini. Sun is placed where number 12 is written, 12 is the sign Pisces, the lord of which is Jupiter, and Sun is the lord of the 3rd house where number 5 is written, 5 is the sign Leo, of which Sun is the Lord. So we will see what results Sun will give as per its placement in the 10th house and as per its lordship of the 3rd house. Thereafter we will see the results that Sun will give when it is placed in various nakshatras in this house. And in the end we will see the remedies, upayas or precautions which must be followed so as to get best results from Sun when it is placed in this place. Looking at the placement of Sun, the 10th house indicates basically our karma, the career, promotion, status. So Sun in this position throws light on the person's profession, career, promotion, rise in status. And this is one of the best positions. If Sun is there in this position, it is one of the surest signs of success. Also, the Sun represents the government, the father. So, the person with Sun in this place will get favors from government, from their bosses, from their father. The Sun is a Sattvic planet. And so, this person's karma or the work he does would be related to Sattvic. That is, he will be very helpful to others. He will do good deeds. And people will trust this person. They will pose their faith in him. And because of that, he will rise in public esteem. And because Sun relates to government or higher officials or our bosses, we will find that the government, the bosses, the higher officials, all these people are going to support this person and be instrumental in this person's rise in status or in his promotions. Also, the 10th house shows ambition of a person. So, during the period when Sun is active, the person will become very ambitious also, which is natural in these cases. However, the person must remember that while Sun here will provide a good status and respect in public, he should keep in mind that he should not get this name and fame go to his head, because the moment this thing goes to his head and he becomes excessively proud, thereafter the good effects of Sun will begin to reduce. 10th house also is the second house to the house of father, which is a Marak Sthan, and 10th house is the 7th house to the house of mother, which is again a Marak Sthan to the mother. So during this period, it can happen that the person may lose any of his parents, and you may have found that for many people in the years that they got their promotion or rise in status, they also had to lose any of their parents. And therefore, the 10th house is also known as the place of cremation of our parents. 10th house thereby will also lead to the person receiving something in inheritance. Now, in case this is connected to the 11th house or Mars, in that case the person is likely to receive something in inheritance. As the lord of the 3rd house, Sun will indicate something to do with communication. The person will be involved in communicative activities such as writing, printing press, newspaper, telegram office, post office, these kind of things. Also, the person may be very involved in social media, Instagram, internet, Facebook, etc. during this period. The 3rd house represents our short travels. So during this period, the person will undertake many short travels. And the short travels could be related to his profession, or the short travels may be because of requirement of government or his father. Sun representing the father is placed in the second house to the father. And so we will find that during this period, something will occur so far as the money bank balance of the father is concerned. And in case there is a connection to good houses and good planets, in that case, the father of the person's bank balance, his money, his cash in hand will improve during this period. Regarding the younger brothers and sisters who are represented by the third house, Sun has now come to the 8th position, and therefore the younger brother or sister of this person during this period is likely to face some kind of obstacles, disappointments, defeats, injuries, accidents, and can have a problem, heat related problem such as acidity or problem in the bone structure or heart during this period. In addition, we find that for the younger brothers and sisters, this 8th house represents factory production. So the younger brother sister may get into factory production in case there is a connection with good houses, or they may develop interest in occult studies such as astrology, Reiki, tarot, numerology, etc. during this period. Regarding the results of Sun, when Sun is placed in various nakshatras, Sun is in the sign Pisces in the 10th house, and every sign has 3 nakshatras, so Sun can be in any one of these nakshatras. Pisces has the nakshatra of Jupiter, Saturn and Mercury. Now when Sun is placed from 0 degrees to 3 degrees 20 minutes in Pisces ascendant, we will find it is in the nakshatra of Jupiter, and so the placement of Jupiter must be seen. In addition, Jupiter in this is Lord of 2 Kendra houses, which is the 7th house and the 10th house. So during this Dasha Antardasha, whenever Sun is active, we will find that Sun will give the results like the person may have a marriage if connected to good houses, may open a partnership business or do well in business, the person will have rise in status, promotion, etc. The second nakshatra belongs to Saturn. When Sun is from 3 degrees 20 minutes to 16 degrees 40 minutes in the sign Pisces, then Sun will be in the nakshatra of Saturn, and Saturn in this case is the lord of the 8th and 9th house. So the results will come accordingly. The person may have problems, difficulties, obstacles during this period, and because Sun is involved, which indicates father, and the 9th house also indicates father, the person may have problems, difficulties with his father, disagreements with his father, or the father of the person may have some problems. The father of the person may get hospitalized or go away from the native, or the father of the person may invest money, or in case it is connected to bad planets, then the father of the person will lose money during this period. Also, for the person himself, in this period, the person will develop interest in higher learning, higher studying and religion, and the person may go on long travels, mostly for religious purpose. In case the Dasha Antardasha with this Sun connected to the 9th house is also connected to Venus and Sun in any way, in that case the person is likely to go abroad during this period. The third nakshatra belongs to Mercury when Sun is between 16 degrees 40 minutes to 30 degrees. In this sign, Sun will be placed in the nakshatra of Mercury. So once again we see the placement of Mercury, and Mercury in this case is the Lagnesh or the lord of the ascendant, as well as Mercury is the lord of the 4th house. So other than the placement results of Mercury, the results of the 1st and 4th house will also come. That is, the person will be very attached to his house or home during this time. The person, in case the Dasha Antardasha is connected to Mars, may procure a property during this period or purchase a vehicle during this period. Overall, in case Mars is connected in this condition, then the person is likely to gain. In case he is unwell, he will become well during this period and regain his or her health. Having seen this results of Sun, we will find Sun is placed in a good house and Sun is the Lord of the third house. So Sun is not really connected to any bad houses like 6, 8 or 12. So the remedies per se of Sun may not be required in this case. However, because Sun here signifies our promotion, rise in status, public esteem, name and fame, recognition. So it is always better that we please the Lord Sun so that he will give us even better results. In order to get best results from Sun, when Sun is placed in the 10th house of Gemini ascendant, the first remedy is to get up in the morning, pray to Lord Sun. The second remedy is to offer water to Sun. The third remedy is to read Gayatri Mantra. And the fourth remedy is a lifestyle precaution to maintain very good relations with your father and take his blessings. Doing these things will enable Sun to give even better results in your horoscope. I hope you would have understood the basics of Sun in the 10th house of Gemini ascendant. See you in the next video. Thank you.